Welcome to Ambient's online quote tutorial video. Please follow our step-by-step instructions to successfully submit your inquiry. Step 1. Draw your home's floor plan on a piece of paper showing your windows, switchboard, manhole access, and where your preferred locations for the indoor and outdoor units to be installed are. Attach your file. Step 2. Print your previous drawing. Take the measurements of the room you would like the heat pump to be installed. Write down the length, width, and height of the room on the printed paper and attach here. Step 3. Take photos of your preferred indoor location, including floor and ceiling. Attach and continue on. Step 4. You're halfway there. Take photos of your preferred outdoor location, including roof line and ground. Attach and move on. Step 5. Now take a photo of the manhole access and attach. Step 6. Please do the same for your switchboard and attach. Step 7. You're almost done. Go outside of your home, take 4 pictures, all 4 sides of your home, including the roof, and attach. Step 8. Lastly, please fill out the inquiry form and submit your request. Click on the Send button and please allow 12 to 24 business working hours to hear back from us. Thank you for trusting Ambient.